I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. I go to Menards probably at least once a week. When I'm there, I always try to look at the train section. And it's a little harder to find now because summer's almost here. But on a recent visit, I was able to find 3 new model buildings. And I took some video and some photos of them, and I thought maybe you'd like to see them too. So, here they are.
It's late May, which is almost summertime, and that means that the pool chemicals and supplies have replaced the train aisle at Menards. The buildings and trains are still here, though, but in smaller numbers, and they've been moved upstairs to an area that some people call the attic, Menards Attic, a place where they keep their seasonal merchandise like the Halloween and Christmas stuff, and for the next 4 or 5 months, the trains too. The selection has been trimmed down to about a quarter of what they'll have in October. But on this visit, I found 3 model buildings that were new to me. I guess this might be the kind of music played at Jimbo's gym during a jazzercise class. It has a very detailed interior, complete with treadmills and hot, sweaty babes, but I'm not really sure how many people in my demographic will want this on their layout. I'm really impressed with the amount of detail that Menards included with the interior. I haven't seen this with the LEDs illuminated, but I bet that's when the big glass windows really allow the figures and equipment inside to look their best. A power adapter for the lighting needs to be purchased separately, and right now Menards is also offering an 11% rebate on all of their items. Moe's Cycle Shop has a smaller footprint than some of Menards' other buildings, so it would take up less space on a layout. A lot of train guys also seem to be interested in cars or motorcycles, and I like the way this little scene also tells a story. There's a guy on the roof finishing a custom sign, while people below work on the bikes. Speaking of telling stories, what happened here? Ladder Company 17 of the Cripple Creek Fire Department is responding to a structure fire. The building looks like a total write-off, but it's possible that the Pennsylvania caboose inside might be saved. The fire truck is pre-lit, and so is the caboose. haven't seen very many Menards buildings or trains for sale on the used market, train shows and swap meets, so I don't really know if they're going to become collectible. Will their prices go up or come down dramatically? What do you think? From the amount of YouTube videos that I've watched, the buildings do show up on a lot of layouts. But will their popularity now make them valuable later? I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.